It's amazing. It's very beautiful. Very, very happy. After all the breakdowns and after, you know, payback. Look at that. I feel like I'm in California. Char. I feel like I'm in France. Something. I will show you something. Look at that one. That is their CR, diba? Social kayo yung pang sosyalan yung CR nila. Well, yung CR natin, you know na. Yan tamog saba. And then this is their rope course. Yeah. water. Hala, diha na lang ko. So we're going down now.
I fall asleep, yeah, I need you with me by my side. It's all I know now. I need you with me by my side.
Time to go now because we still have an important matter to do. So yeah, at least I've relaxed and meditated for like almost 2 hours, and I'm very happy. So yeah, to more meditations, to more meditations and more relaxations pretty soon, and of course I'll still be sharing you guys wherever I will go, because yeah, we'll be going anywhere together forever and ever. So yeah, I think there ends our vlog episode. So yeah, I think that will be all, fellas. Thank you so much if you are watching. Especially if you are watching up until here. Know that your views are my channel's lifeline as always. And again, if you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button below. And please don't forget to subscribe also at the J Mary's channel. It's J Mary. And do like my FB page. It's Kisha and Abby. So yes, thank you so much, fellas. This is Kisha, signing off. Bye-bye. See you in my next vlog.